So first we're gonna set up the OBS. And so we go into here, we select the OBS ingest and copy the server endpoint. So just click to copy. And what we want to do is go into OBS and just go ahead and put this into the settings here. So stream service needs to be custom. So one thing is that you want to remove the service, server, and stream key and make sure that, sometimes OBS has this checked. So you definitely want this to be unchecked right here and paste it into server. And normally your settings will be fine, but I just want to show you that we have a guide here that has all the specific settings that you need to make sure are set. Like the most important one is probably the settings video FPS is 60. So that's it by default, but just make sure that this is 60 here. And the video bitrate in output is 6,000. So I actually did not have that. And we should change it to that. So now we're good. We just want to start streaming on OBS, which will send the data to Streamable, and we can see it here. So this is a compressed preview. It is a lower frame rate than what's actually going to be on your stream and lower quality as well. It's just for a preview. And that's it. OBS is connected.